To use the drop-down item, move your mouse over to the right into the toolbox and click Drop Down. Then move your cursor onto the activity and click and drag to create the item box. A pop-up will immediately appear to enter your answer choices. Then click Save Changes. To quickly duplicate this, use Ctrl+D and then move each item into the correct area on your activity. Finally, double-click into an item to go back into editing and remember to mark the bubble which represents the correct answer for auto-grading.